Imagine working fewer hours, earning more money, and reclaiming your life to do what truly matters. No more endless commutes, office politics, or waiting for retirement to live your dream life. Sounds impossible? Well, Tim Ferriss says it's not only possible, it's essential. Welcome to the world of the 4-hour work week, where escaping the 9-to-5 grind and joining the ranks of the new rich isn't a distant dream but a practical strategy. In this video, we'll unpack the revolutionary principles and actionable steps from Ferriss's groundbreaking book, The 4-Hour Work Week. Whether you're a burned-out employee, a struggling entrepreneur, or just someone seeking freedom, this guide has something transformative for you. Stay tuned to learn how you can design a life of freedom and purpose, no matter where you start. Let's dive in. 1. The New Rich and Lifestyle Design. The book opens with a bold idea. Traditional work culture is broken. Most people follow the deferred life plan. Work hard now, retire later, and maybe enjoy life. But the new rich, reject this model. Instead of working tirelessly, they design lives full of freedom, mobility, and experiences. Ferriss introduces the concept of lifestyle design, where the goal is to optimize your life for time and mobility rather than just money. For the new rich, success isn't about earning millions but having the time and freedom to enjoy life on their own terms. The key takeaway here is simple. You don't need to be rich to live like you are. All you need is the right strategy. 2. The Deal Framework. Ferriss structures the book around the deal framework: definition, elimination, automation, and liberation. Let's break these down. Definition. The first step is redefining your goals and challenging conventional assumptions. Ferriss asks, what would you do if money were no object? Most people don't have a clear answer because they're too stuck in routines. In this section, Ferriss introduces the concept of dreamlining. Dreamlining involves creating clear, actionable goals for the short term, 6 to 12 months, based on your wildest dreams. From traveling the world to learning a new skill, this exercise forces you to focus on what truly matters. He also debunks the myth that you need millions to live your dream life. Through smart planning, you can achieve your dreams for a fraction of what you think they'll cost. Elimination. Next comes elimination, the art of removing unnecessary tasks. Ferriss emphasizes the 80-20 rule. 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Identify the 20% that matters and ruthlessly cut the rest. He also advocates for the low-information diet. Stop consuming useless news, emails, and social media. Focus only on what's relevant to your goals. Another powerful concept is batching. Instead of handling tasks like checking email sporadically throughout the day, Ferriss recommends scheduling them in concentrated chunks to maximize efficiency. Automation. Here's where the magic happens. Automate your income and daily tasks. Ferriss introduces the concept of building a muse, a small, automated business that generates income with minimal involvement. Key strategies include outsourcing. Delegate repetitive tasks to virtual assistants. Ferriss argues that your time is worth more than the cost of hiring help. Product-based businesses. Create or sell a product that can run on autopilot. Examples include digital courses, e-commerce stores, or subscription services. By setting up automation, you free up your time to focus on the things that matter most. Liberation. Finally, Ferriss tackles the ultimate goal: liberation. This means breaking free from the constraints of traditional work. For employees, this could involve negotiating remote work or even reducing hours without sacrificing productivity. For entrepreneurs, it means achieving location independence, working from anywhere in the world. Ferriss also shares practical tips on mini-retirements instead of saving travel and leisure for retirement. Take extended breaks to live in foreign countries, experience different cultures, and rediscover yourself. 3. Fear setting and overcoming obstacles. One of the most powerful tools in the book is fear setting. Ferriss encourages readers to write down their fears, analyze the worst-case scenarios, and create action plans to mitigate risks. By confronting your fears head-on, you realize most of them are manageable, and the potential rewards far outweigh the risks. He also addresses common objections, like "I can't afford to do this" or "What will people think?" The truth is, these are excuses born out of fear. The book challenges you to take bold steps despite uncertainty. 4 Tools and Tactics of the New Rich. Ferriss doesn't just share ideas, he provides tools to make them happen. Here are some of the practical tactics he recommends. Geoarbitrage. Live in low-cost countries while earning income in high-value currencies. For example, you can earn in dollars but live comfortably in Thailand or Colombia. Virtual assistants. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr make it easy to hire affordable help for everything from research to email management. Passive income streams. Ferriss explores options like affiliate marketing, licensing products, and online businesses. These strategies are not just theoretical. They've worked for countless people who've followed Ferriss's methods. 5. Redefining success and happiness. Ferriss argues that true wealth isn't just money. It's the freedom to do what you want, when you want, and with whom you want. He introduces the concept of relative income, where earning $50,000 a year working 4 hours a week is far better than earning $500,000 a year working 80 hours a week. He also highlights the importance of experiences over possessions. Instead of chasing material wealth, focus on creating memorable moments. This shift in mindset can lead to greater fulfillment and happiness. 6. Real-life case studies. Throughout the book, Ferriss shares stories of people who've implemented his principles and transformed their lives. From single mothers to overworked executives, these case studies demonstrate that the 4-hour work week is achievable for anyone willing to think differently. One memorable example is of a man who automated his online business and spent years traveling the world while still earning a steady income. These stories serve as both inspiration and proof that the principles work in real life. 7. Taking action. Start today. Ferriss ends the book with a call to action. Start small, but start now. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Begin by dreamlining, eliminating unnecessary tasks, or testing a side hustle. The key is momentum. Once you see results, it becomes easier to keep going and scale your efforts. And there you have it, the blueprint for escaping the 9-to-5 grind and joining the new rich, as outlined in Tim Ferriss's The 4-Hour Workweek. Whether it's redefining your goals, eliminating distractions, automating income, or achieving liberation, the path to freedom is clearer than ever. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing book summaries and insights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.